Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about X-ray diffraction on the topic of determination of X-ray wavelength. A material with an interplanar spacing of 3.1 produces a diffraction peak at 2 theta is equal to 28 degree. Predict the X-ray wavelength used in the experiment. To answer this question, you need to use the Bragg's law. So you have n lambda is equivalent to 2d sine theta. Alright, so because in the question you are not given the value of n, so we shall assume n is equivalent to 1. And then in the question it states that it's 2 theta. So 2 theta is equivalent to 28, therefore your theta is equivalent to 28 divided by 2, so equivalent to 14. Right, so now we're just going to plug in the values. You're going to find what is the wavelength, which is the lambda, so 2d. So the interplanar spacing given in the question is 3.1. Sine, your theta is the one that you have calculated just now, 14. Therefore, your lambda is equivalent to 6.2 sine 14. So lambda is equivalent to 1.4998. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.